This is your Everfocus network camera EAN3120. It's a 1.3 megapixel HD wide dynamic range network camera. It has a 1/3 inch HD color CMOS image sensor and supports both H.264 and MJPEG in full frame rate. Wide dynamic range built in. Video encoder including line driver for NTSC/PAL TV signal. Dual codec for H.264 and MJPEG. Built-in micro SDHC slot for an SDHC card enabling local storage. Provide true day-night functionality with IR removable filter. Two-way audio. For a more detailed spec sheet and to order, visit discountlowvoltage.com.